You've probably seen big claims online, like making $1,000 a month or $3,000 a day. And yes, the Millionaire Partnership talks about numbers like that. But here's the truth. You should always keep your expectations realistic. This system gives you training, ready to use tools, and even coaching. But it's not a magic button. Your results will depend on your effort, your consistency, and your willingness to learn. Think of it like a vehicle. You still need to drive it if you want to reach your destination. The good news is, you're not taking a big risk. The Millionaire Partnership includes a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you decide it's not for you, you can simply ask for a refund. That safety net makes it easier to take action without fear. Use my link below to sign up for the Millionaire Partnership and start your journey today.